The European Seaports Organization, ESPO, is a representative of port authorities and sea terminals of the member states of the European Union and Norway. Importance. This organization is of the utmost importance as it brings together and associates 1,200 ports of the 23 member states of the Union, which moves 90% of the cargo of goods and services in Europe. Since 1993, ESPO designed the environmental certification Ecoports to grant recognition exclusively to sea terminals in Europe that comply with requirements of sustainable environmental operations, looking with this to protect the environment as a priority of its port policies and those of its associates. The Port of Santa Marta and Ecoports. The Port of Santa Marta, always with the idea of constantly implementing the best environmental practices in port operations, even more as it is located downtown, was chosen in 2012 to start the certification process of Ecoports. This process was addressed by the certifying organization Lloyd's Register, with its home office in Amsterdam. After a thorough audit on all port operations and environmental processes of the company, it gave a positive response. Thus, the terminal of Santa Marta became the first terminal worldwide, outside Europe, to be worthy of such certification, which was presented on July 2013 during the Latin American Congress of Ports, organized by the Association of American Port Authorities, held in Bogota. Direct coal loading since 2003, 10 years before Decree 3083 of 2007 requiring the use of this system, the reuse of waters for internal irrigation, green zones, the use of runoff waters of the city, the exclusive use of electrical equipment decreasing CO2 emissions are, among others, the great achievements of the port in environmental matters. The terminal of Santa Marta shall not rest on the idea of implementing day by day the best environmental practices for the benefit of the community of the city, thus providing greater employment generation and income, seeking with this a balanced and harmonious relationship between the port and the city.